Hello and welcome to the Roadmap to Riches Opportunity. We offer a video training program that teaches you how to create a digital master resell rights business. Digital master resell rights just means you purchase the license to brand and resell someone else's digital course. This makes it super fast to get started, since you don't have to create the course yourself. We teach you everything from branding your business to building an automated sales platform to marketing it. The best part about this business is not only do you get paid directly 100%, but the business is all yours. Purchasing this course gives you master resell rights, which allow you to start selling a digital course right away. There are no monthly fees, no upsells, you never pay us again. The fun part is when you make a sale, your customers pay you directly. If you get just one sale, you have made back your initial investment and every sale after that is profit. That makes for an outstanding return on investment. Join us today, and start your journey to start a digital master resell rights business online.